Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about Fampay's backend engineering internship role that's opened up. This will be an on-site internship at Bengaluru, India, and Fampay gives the opportunity to interns to grab a pre-placement offer. They do take their internship program very seriously because they choose their future team members from their interns. So, as a full-time employee at Fampay, you will get a handsome salary of 15 to 20 LPA, and of course their backend team is very strong. You will have strong knowledge and experience in advanced backend systems, so that is a bonus. So as a part of their must-haves that they have listed, you should be having a BTech in computer science or equivalent practical experience, and it would be great if you have previous experience in internships in a product based company or startup, and you should be having keen interest in analytical and problem solving skills. And as a part of their good to haves, if you have knowledge in Python or Golang, it would be great. If you have knowledge in AWS or you have contributions in open source projects at GSOC, then it would be great for them. So as the stipend details that they've mentioned, you will get a stipend of 1 lakh per month. So it's not a cumulative one. Each month of your internship you will be getting a 1 lakh stipend, and you will have certificate and letter of recommendation at the end of your internship. You will get access to mental health professionals if you require it. Your leave policies will be friendly. It might be better than other companies as well, and you will have flexible work schedules, so you never miss your meals. So these are the details that Fampay has listed in their internship opening. Now moving on to the hiring process that they follow, you'll be initially getting a take home assignment. So this is the initial screening process that Fampay follows. You'll be given a task which you'll have to solve. This is not an interview, no one will be evaluating you live. So this is to evaluate your initial screening, evaluate your coding abilities. So basically you'll have to build an API, since this is a backend role, and you'll have to run some jobs in background. And the choice of tech stack is left completely up to you. And since they have mentioned Python in their good to haves, you can go ahead with that if you have enough knowledge in that. Otherwise they have not specified any tech stack for this round. The next round will be an HR round, which will be a 20 to 30 minutes chat with your recruiter. This is just to make sure that both of you, Fampay and you, are on the same page. You'll talk about Fampay's expectations, time commitments, stipend details, and so on. Now, once you've had this round cleared, you will get your schedule for your technical interview 1. So this round will go for around 2 hours. Here you will have to provide your own introduction, get that prepared, and you will have to provide a brief overview over your career path, your previous experiences, and so on. Then your interviewer will be evaluating your coding abilities. So in this round you'll be asked questions like you'll be having to create an in-memory key value pair database similar to Redis. So you'll have to share your screen and write your code. So definitely start with your brute force approach first, and then your interviewer will be pointing out the flaws, and you'll have to work on those limitations and come up with the best possible approach. And you'll have to discuss about some backend stuff as well. After you solve this question, you'll have to answer some backend questions as well, direct questions. So for this round you will have to focus on your OOPS concepts, the basics of programming, and that's all for this round, the knowledge that you require to get through this round. and after a day or two you'll be having your second technical interview scheduled. So you'll be asked to explain about your resume, the projects that you mentioned in your resume, then about your previous work that you've done, your previous internship experiences that you've had in detail, how you have had a business impact on your previous experiences, how you reduced latency in APIs, and so on. So, lots of questions on your resume, and you will also be asked system design questions in this round. So, you'll have to work upon that, prepare for that if you don't have enough knowledge in it. Um, so again, you'll discuss about backend stuff like how to stream the um, score in real time, the number of API calls, how can you reuse that, and so on. So this is again a technical interview round. This is the last technical interview round. Once you get through this, you'll have to sit for a cultural fit round. The cultural fit round will last for around 20 minutes. It's just for vibe check, and this will be with one of the founding members of Fampay. So you'll have a casual talk about Fampay's business model, the engineering team at Fampay, your interests, and so on. It's like another HR round, but this time you've got your offer letter in hand. So at the end of your interview, you won't be asked any technical questions in this round. So after a few hours of this interview, you'll get an email from the recruiter stating that you are selected, and you'll be congratulated and given your offer letter. So this is the hiring process that they follow for Fampay, and they do offer a good stipend, a good salary once you get converted to a PPO, full-time employee. So this is an on-site opportunity in Bangalore, India, and go ahead, apply before the link expires. It won't be open for too long. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on job and internship openings, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.